Opposition Member of Parliament Dr. Maurice Guy is taking the government to task about the ongoing issue of teacher migration. Speaking at the sectoral debate in the House of Representatives on Tuesday, Dr. Guy says teachers are being poached by foreign systems that offer them more resources.
This is not a natural phenomenon. It's a policy failure. We have repeatedly asked the government how many teachers have left over the last 5 years. How many classrooms are without specialist teachers? What is the plan? It is clear, Mr. Speaker, there's no plan.
He says the students are being negatively impacted by teacher migration.
Only 18% of our students are passing 5 or more CSEC subjects, including maths and English. That means 82% are not academically equipped to access quality jobs, tertiary education, or meaningful advancement in life. That is the cost of teacher migration.
Dr. Guy notes that several factors play into what he describes as a crisis and brain drain.
The PNP has major policy initiatives to address the crisis. We will not allow this brain drain to continue unchecked. We have developed a comprehensive teacher retention plan, NHT mortgage benefits for teachers, vehicle duty concessions for teachers, student loan forgiveness for teachers, free internet for teachers, modern classroom and staff rooms for teachers, and a national campaign for teacher respect.
Education Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon is appealing to parents to complete their registration on the designated portal before Friday in order to access their children's primary exit profile results without delay. Speaking at Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing, the Education Minister announced that the portal will be opened to schools at 11 a.m. on Friday, with parents gaining access at 1 p.m. the same day.
PEP results, PEP 6 results, will be distributed this Friday. 2 days from now. We will start by opening up the portal to the schools at 11 a.m. and then we will open it up to parents at 1 p.m. Now, I have a message to parents. Only 10,000 parents of the 30-odd thousand children have registered on the portal to see their children's grades. Where are the other 20-something thousand parents? Where are you?
She warned that failure to act now could lead to delays due to system overload, an issue experienced in previous years.
In order for you to get your child's grade, you need to use the SMS, and SMS has been sent to you. Please use the SMS. It gives you the information on registering on the system, because every single year the system goes down. Why does it go down? Because parents are trying to register all at the same time and also trying to access at the same time. Let us do that today. Let's do that tomorrow. Let us register to get the results. And so on Friday, I expect to see some very happy children and parents across Jamaica. The wait is over.
Dr. Morris-Dixon says early action will ensure a smoother experience for all when the PEP results are released on Friday. The Ministry of Education is moving to strengthen literacy support in schools following growing concerns about students' reading levels. A senior official says new training sessions are being planned for early grade teachers to reinforce classroom efforts. The update came during Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing. Danita Rodney has the details.
The Ministry of Education is ramping up its literacy push with a series of early grade reading workshops set to begin on June 23. Senior Education Officer in the Curriculum Unit of the Ministry of Education, Dr. Novlet McLean Francis, says the training sessions, which run until July 1, are aimed at retooling teachers ahead of the reintroduction of timetabled reading for grades 1 to 3 starting September 2025.
Also, to to explore what we call an integrated reading framework to make it more explicit. It was always there, but sort of implicit. And so in this intervention, we hope to make this reading framework explicit with its attendant approaches and strategies that will be promoted via our early reading training.
Speaking during Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing, Dr. McLean Francis said the workshops will strengthen teachers' ability to deliver reading instruction aligned with national standards.
For the early reading, our aim as a ministry is to support or to retool our teachers, not to teach them reading. They have been to college, they have been to university. So essentially, we are retooling them in effectively implementing the reading program in our national standards curriculum. So this is not a new thing. Our curriculum has been around. It was in the schools from 2016 and officially put in the system in 2018, printed versions, online versions.
She noted that the sessions will also create a space for teachers to raise concerns and share challenges they've encountered in the classroom.
Also for teachers to share their challenges. We know some of them, but we want to hear from them. That will be addressed in this intervention. We hope to review some of the components and principles of reading to make certain that everyone is on the same page and to help them to demonstrate their competence in integrating the different components, strands, and strategies of reading.
The initiative is part of the ministry's broader effort to boost early literacy outcomes and lay a stronger foundation for student success.
A fascinating new exhibition shines a spotlight on one of our island's most incredible and often misunderstood creatures, bats. A new exhibition opened at the Natural History Museum of Jamaica on Wednesday. The exhibition, titled Guardians of the Night, celebrates the vital ecological roles bats play, from pollinating flowers to controlling insects. It also highlights the remarkable work of the National Environment and Planning Agency and Bat Conservation International. Marlon Samuels has more in this report.
The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, in collaboration with the Natural History Museum of Jamaica, at the Institute of Jamaica and Bat Conservation International, BCI, have been working tirelessly to keep the spotlight on one of Jamaica's most vital yet overlooked allies, bats.
You know a lot of Jamaicans are afraid of bats, right? And when you talk about bats, they use the term rat bats. And then they start to think about vampires and all sorts of other things. So this exhibition is very important that Jamaicans understand. So listen, bats are actually very friendly and beautiful creatures. And if you really look on it, they are very important in pollination, dispersing seeds, our whole entire biodiversity efforts, including insects that actually affect us. They actually eat these insects, and it actually protects us and protect our environment.
The exhibition, titled Guardians of the Night, showcased over 20 Jamaican bat species, including 5 found nowhere else in the world.
Jamaica has 21 different species of bats that eat insects, eat fruits, pollinate flowers. They do an incredible job at insect pest reduction, seed dispersal, pollination. It's